Meta Platforms, the tech giant behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, is embarking on an ambitious journey. The company is investing a staggering $10 billion to construct a vast undersea cable network. This network will stretch over 40,000 kilometers, encircling the globe with high-speed data connections. This is a significant move for Meta, marking its first foray into wholly owning and operating global infrastructure on this scale. Meta's decision to invest in this project is driven by the ever-increasing demand for data. As more people around the world connect to the internet, the need for fast, reliable data transmission grows exponentially. This is especially true for Meta's platforms, which generate and rely on colossal amounts of data every second. This project underscores Meta's commitment to staying ahead of the curve. It's a testament to the company's vision for the future of the internet, which hinges on robust and efficient data infrastructure. This undersea cable network will be a vital artery in the global flow of information, connecting billions of users and facilitating seamless digital experiences. The potential impact of this project extends far beyond Meta's own platforms. It has the power to transform the digital landscape, enabling faster internet speeds, smoother online experiences, and greater access to information for users worldwide. Meta's subsea cable project is more than just an infrastructure upgrade. It's a strategic move to solidify the company's position as a global tech titan. By controlling its own data pipelines, Meta aims to achieve greater independence and efficiency in its operations. Currently, Meta relies heavily on a complex web of third-party providers for data transmission. This reliance introduces vulnerabilities, as factors like network congestion or geopolitical instability can disrupt data flow. With its own dedicated network, Meta can bypass these potential bottlenecks, ensuring smoother and more reliable data transmission. This enhanced control translates into a better user experience across Meta's platforms. Faster data speeds mean smoother video streaming, quicker file sharing, and more responsive interactions, all crucial for retaining users in today's competitive digital landscape. Moreover, this project allows Meta to flex its muscles in the face of competitors like Google, which already owns and operates extensive subsea cable networks. By securing its own data infrastructure, Meta levels the playing field, ensuring it can compete on par with industry giants. The success of Meta's subsea cable project hinges not only on technological prowess but also on strategic planning, particularly in the cable's route. The planned route, forming a distinctive W shape across the globe, is a testament to Meta's meticulous approach. The cable will connect the US East Coast to India via South Africa, and then from India to the US West Coast via Australia. This carefully chosen route is designed to circumvent potential trouble spots that could disrupt the cable's operation. The cable will steer clear of areas known for geopolitical tensions, such as the Red Sea and the South China Sea. It will also avoid regions prone to natural disasters, ensuring greater resilience and minimizing the risk of disruptions. This strategic routing underscores Meta's commitment to long-term stability and reliability. By minimizing potential risks, Meta is ensuring that its massive investment will deliver uninterrupted data flow for years to come. This meticulous planning is crucial for the project's success and for maintaining the trust of billions of users worldwide. Meta's $10 billion investment in a global subsea cable network is a game-changer, poised to reshape the landscape of data connectivity. This ambitious project is a testament to the company's vision and its understanding of the Internet's future. The project's financial scope is staggering, with an initial budget of $2 billion, expected to balloon over the project's estimated 5 to 10-year timeline. This substantial investment highlights the importance Meta places on securing its data infrastructure and its commitment to delivering unparalleled user experiences. The impact of this project will extend far beyond Meta's own platforms. By significantly increasing global data capacity, the project will contribute to a faster, more responsive internet for everyone. This will benefit businesses, individuals, and communities worldwide, fostering innovation and driving progress. Meta's bold move could inspire other tech giants to follow suit, triggering a wave of investment in global data infrastructure. This could lead to a more interconnected and digitally equitable world where access to information is no longer a privilege but a right enjoyed by all.